Sales training. Is there anybody in this world who wakes up in the morning in the field of sales and says, oh boy, today is sales training day? It sort of sounds like a trip to the dentist, doesn't it? Well, it doesn't have to be that way. If you're actually going to get productivity from any time or money invested in sales training, there are some fundamentals that if you don't have every one of them, don't waste your time or money. The training has to be customized or tailored to the context of the people that are participating in that training. It's got to feel directly applicable to what they're asked to do. It has to be engaging. There has to be interaction with their peers. There has to be a lot of learning by doing. People don't like to just listen to lectures or do exercises by themselves. After all, sales is an interactive discipline. But the single most important thing is what happens after that training is over. That period of time from the end of the introduction to new concepts and language about sales for the rest of someone's career. That's right, for the rest of someone's career. Can you name an athlete, a musician, an actor, a performer, a debater, anyone who doesn't continuously practice in order to achieve excellence? Put another way, doesn't continue to practice to maintain excellence. If you're not going to include those things, no matter how beautiful the content, no matter how beautifully delivered, there will be very little ROE and very little ROI.